Today's recipe might make you think I'm crazy, but I'd rather be crazy and be able to eat this. That is a fact. Hey guys, welcome back to Belky's Twist. Today I am making pesto chicken pasta. So this is a little bit of a crazy recipe and I really wondered if I should share it or not because, you know, I am not making my pesto from scratch. I do not make pesto from scratch because the times that I've made it, I have not liked it as much as I liked the two pestos that are store-bought that I'm combining in this recipe. So the way this came about was I met my husband many years ago and his mom, who was an amazing cook, used to make this pesto pasta salad, a cold one, that was absolutely delicious. And she used Knorr packets for it. I loved it. Then I went home, I tried different versions. I ended up with Buitoni, those plastic containers, combined with the Knorr, and trust me, it is so good. You're going to love it. Then one time I went to a restaurant with my husband. He ordered some sort of, pesto pasta. They had peppers in it. I went in, I added I added peppers that I cooked in olive oil prior to putting in. It all kind of came together as this amazing, amazing pasta. So therefore, I'm probably never gonna make pesto again from scratch because why should I? So I wanna share that recipe with you today and let me know if you think it's crazy. And even if you think it's crazy, I think you should try it because I am pretty sure that you are going to love it just as much as I do. So let's make it.